Hello. So my name is Lucy Cranani, and I'm talking to you from California, but I am from Australia. And I'm part of the organising committee for this wonderful gathering, and we have been meeting once a month since last July. And I have to tell you, every time we get together, it's incredibly uplifting and nourishing and wonderful. And I'm just so excited about coming in together with all the people in this room and all of you in person in September.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm in Saskatchewan, Canada. I'm also glad to be on the planning committee. And we are at the point now where we are starting to finalize what will be our program while we meet and what will be the experiences and the activities that we'll be doing. And we're looking for your input. So we have some ideas, but we want this to be a very much collaborative aspect and everyone offering what they can, asking for what they need, and all the principles that we've known. So if you have a suggestion for something you would like to offer, please feel free to make that suggestion through the form that we will create. And if you have an idea for something you'd like to see or a curiosity, an experience you'd like to have, don't be shy, send us your ideas and we'll see how we can co-create this event together.
Hi, I'm Barbara Swanston, and I have the joy of living on Vancouver Island. And I actually went to the Bethlehem Center, and then we chose that place for us to meet. And I'm so excited to see all of you at the Bethlehem Center. I think it's a perfect spot. It's a bit rustic, but it's really beautiful and welcoming. And I just look forward to seeing you all in September.
And last but least, Frankie from Belgium, Europe. And Droopy couldn't have said it better than I'm doing now. You know what? I'm happy.
Frankie, you're not, it's last but not least. Not last but least.